Guys, it's Camilla here. I just wanted to share a great design tool with you. It's called Canva, and it's www.canva.com, and there's a free version, and the free version is actually really good, and the paid version should be, of course, better, but I'm doing fine with the free version for the things that I do. Well, so you can create a lot of amazing designs in here. Just press the create a design, and it comes up with all these templates for you. So if you want to make a Facebook ad, you can just take this and the dimensions will automatically fit the ad requirements from Facebook. So that's great. You don't have to Google the dimensions and try to fit into that. It does that for you. And if you want to make an Instagram post, for example, let's take that. You recognize the Instagram canvas, I think, here. And you just, you can drag and drop one of these free templates if you like, and it automatically fits. And then you can modify it, just double clicking and writing your own stuff. So this is too big. I have to pull a little here, and you can change the colors to this color, or you can do like if you have a color code, you can use that, or you can just drag this spot around here. That's one option. If you click the image, you can change that. You can delete it and take one of your own images here. I'm working on a golf project, online courses, golf. So these are the templates already there. You can also, I think I need to take a new one here. And then you have a blank canvas. You can upload your own images. Just press the green button. Or even, I think you can drag and drop it. So this is a great image. I'll just drag it here. And you can see the lines here. It tells me that it's right in the middle. And I'll drag this corner and this corner. And then I have my background image. Then I can go to an element. For example, shape. And I like this one. But I need to reduce the transparency. I do that here. Okay. Then I can put some text here. And I'm just dragging and dropping stuff here, so it's super easy. And double click and here. That's maybe I've written a blog post about this or something. So I want this to be, let's see, yeah, and I'll just triple click on the text to highlight it, and maybe I'll take this font. Looks nice. And then I have my post. So it's super easy, drag and drop, it's free, and just have fun and play and go design. Hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.